Welcome into the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. Channel's Drive Hike Capture because that's generally what we like to do here. And in today's video, we are actually going to be checking out a couple waterfalls in the Cleveland area. I have a couple picked out that I don't think I've ever been to, but I got up here a little early, decided I'd go check out the sunrise at a place that I've also never been to. It was pretty neat, got to fly the drone around a little bit, which was fun, and the first waterfall was only like, I don't know, 10 minutes away maybe. So we are getting ready to hop out right now. I don't think we're able to hike much here. I think it's more of just an overlook. Maybe able to fly the drone down a little bit to get a slightly different angle. We'll have to check things out. But after this, we're going to go head to another waterfall a little south of here. It's a little chilly, and I managed to forget my gloves at home, of course. So may have to make this quick, or may just suffer through it. But we're gonna hop out here and go check out this first waterfall. So let's go see what it's like. That is going to do it from here. A really neat place. A little bummer that you can't explore too much, but I mean, for being like right in the city area, it's actually really neat and pretty sizable waterfall. But like I said, that's going to be it from here. Getting ready to head a little south to the next waterfall, so I will see you guys there. Alright, so we made it to the next spot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, my head has been throbbing ever since I woke up, but I really wanted to push through so that I could record something today. So it's continued to get worse to the point where it really hurts to not have sunglasses on right now. But we're gonna try to push through here and at least check out this waterfall a little bit. I don't believe it's too far from the parking lot, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get down here and I don't know, try to make the best of what we can while I'm out here. And for anyone wondering why I didn't take any Tylenol or Excedrin before I left, the answer is I wanted to give coffee and breakfast a chance to get rid of it. That didn't work, it actually got worse. So here we are, but I'm actually already to the waterfall. That was a really short hike. And this is pretty sweet, so let's work around this and see what we can do. Alright, well that is going to be it from here. Pretty neat little place. The hike down there is super quick and the waterfall is really nice. I mean, not really too much to say about it. I definitely enjoyed it. It was a little icy trying to maneuver down around the base of it, but I think we got some decent pictures and I'm pretty happy. That's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you let me know by hitting that thumbs up, commenting down below. If there's anywhere you think I need to check out, leave that in the comments as well. And yeah, I will see you guys next weekend for the next video. See ya.